New track brings the hurricane close to our coast later this week.
And that has emergency officials and local and state leaders getting ready just in case. Local 10 News reporter Andrew Perez live tonight at the Miami-Dade Emergency Operations Center with more for us. Andrew.
Bottom line, local and state leaders are saying they're not taking any chances. This is a large storm. It is a powerful storm. And at the end of the day, it is headed in our direction.
We are preparing for the worst and hoping for the best.
It's a phrase we hear often around hurricane season in the Sunshine State, but with Hurricane Matthew expected to get too close for comfort, Florida Governor Rick Scott putting those words into action.
If Matthew directly impacts Florida, there will be massive destruction that we haven't seen in years.
If being the operative word, the governor, as a precaution, issuing a state of emergency in all 67 counties in the state. The move frees up some money and resources, getting the state's response teams in place in case they're needed.
We need people to continue to monitor the storm and be ready to make preparations at their home.
The director of the Miami-Dade Emergency Operations Center says the shift in the forecast means we've got to watch this storm. We've seen some effects already in Jamaica and Haiti. Floridians are already lending a helping hand, gathering supplies to send out, while also keeping an eye on the tropics and what Hurricane Matthew could mean for us. Now, Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Jimenez, he's going to be holding a press conference out here tomorrow morning to talk about what's being done, what should be done ahead of this storm getting closer. Broward EOC also keeping an eye on this. We're going to have that press conference for you here tomorrow morning on Local 10 News. We're live in Doral. I'm Andrew Perez, Local 10 News.
All right, Andrew.